How to change allies' nature in Legend Fighter Mortal Battle. If you are playing Legend Fighter and want to change an ally's nature, then firstly open up the Legend Fighter Mortal Battle game and sign into your account. From the lobby screen, tap on the Allies option at the top right corner. And from your Allies collection page, select the ally whose nature you want to change. Now I have this ally over here who has a reckless nature. If you want to change that, just click the change button right next to the nature, and then it will cost you some gems in order to change the nature. Click on the change button and it will show you a new nature over here. If you don't want that nature, then you can again change the nature by tapping the change button. And once you have the ally's nature you want to use for this ally, you can stop. Now your ally's nature has been changed. I want my ally to be careful, so I change it to careful, and there you go. So that's how you do it. Now you've learned how to change the ally's nature in Legend Fighter Mortal Battle. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.